Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. And in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to change the taskbar position on your screen. So I believe in Windows 10 they do have this convoluted method of going through the modern Windows settings user interface to change it. However, I like doing things the easiest and simplest way possible that achieves the same result, and that's what we're going to do in today's tutorial. So all you have to do is just right click on a blank area of your taskbar, and if you see the option that says lock the taskbar is checkmarked, you want to uncheck it just by left clicking on it one time, and then if you right click on the taskbar again, it should not be checkmarked anymore. That's the first thing you need to do. And now that you've done that, now you can move it to any corner of the screen by just holding down on your left mouse pointer and just drag it over to any corner of the screen. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. You can move it to the top if you want. I know a lot of people like to do that to emulate the Macintosh appearance. So pretty straightforward process there. And then once you have it in the position you want, you just right click on the taskbar and then select lock the taskbar, just so you don't accidentally move it around in the future. That's what I would recommend, just lock it back up. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.